how to make a smooth zoom in Capcut on Mac. So find your clip and add it to your timeline, and all you're gonna have to do is to go to Effects, and here click or find Zoom, and here are all the zooms available, and I like this one, Zoom Lens. Grab it and add it to your clip which you want to smooth zoom. Make sure to adjust it to the full clip, and now you can customize it. So by original it looks like this, but it's a little bit fast, so you can click this effect and adjust the speed, so you can lower it and it looks like this. Much better. If you want to set the end clip zoom, you can go to the end of the clip and click the zoom and adjust the range like you want. So for example to the left, and the zoom will be looking like this. So it's pretty smooth, and that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.